Bonjour everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of French articles. Those little words that come before nouns and are super important in everyday conversations. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends who are learning French too. Allez, on y va! Let's go! In French, articles are like your trusty sidekicks. They tell us if a noun is specific or general. Definite articles mean the in English. They are le for masculine singular nouns, la for feminine singular nouns, elle for singular nouns starting with a vowel or silent h, and les for plural nouns, masculine or feminine. Indefinite articles mean a or an in English. They are un for masculine singular nouns, une for feminine singular nouns, and des for plural nouns, masculine or feminine. Let's start with some examples. Definite articles: le chien, the dog, la maison, the house, l'arbre, the tree, and les livres, the books. Indefinite articles: un chat, a cat, une pomme, an apple, and des fleurs, some flowers. Now let's use these in sentences. 1. Definite articles. Le chien est dans le jardin. The dog is in the garden. La maison est grande. The house is big. 2. Indefinite articles. J'ai un chat. I have a cat. Elle mange une pomme. She is eating an apple. Il y a des livres sur la table. There are some books on the table. Your turn. I'll show you a noun, and you decide if it's li, la, une, or des. Write your answers in the comments below. Picture of a dog. Picture of a flower. Picture of books. Et voilà! Now you know how to use French articles like a pro. Keep practicing, and soon it will feel natural. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel for more fun and easy French lessons. Merci beaucoup and I'll see you next time. Au revoir. Subscribe for more easy French lessons.